Hey,
What?
what's happening? Thanks for hooking up and getting together, guys. This is the discussion guide for the disappointing episode, which is where we talked about disappointment.
If you're single, that was a prophetic word
To be
for
disappointed.
hooking up.
Oh, I thought you were like disappointment.
Mhm.
That's not a good.
No.
But what's some good? You had some good ideas for ways to get the ball rolling with.
Yeah, so
talking.
hopefully you went through the sozo part at the end of the show
Sunday
already.
show, yep.
And if you want to talk about that, you can. Other than that, I just take a couple minutes as a group and ask Jesus if there was a promise that hasn't been fulfilled that you'd like to talk about. So
Cool.
Take a couple minutes, ask Jesus, write down the promise, and then take 5 minutes and listen to someone talk about it. Set a timer so we honor everybody's time.
Right. You don't want one person sharing for 40 and like, oh, sorry, Jim, we didn't have time to listen to your
Really
process
disappointed
with
in my
God.
wife's meal yesterday. Lord, where were you? No.
Meanwhile, someone over here has real problems. Sorry, anyway.
So anyway, so 5 minutes and just share what was the promise and why are you disappointed. And then I want you to ask, as the rest of the group, ask Jesus, what are you saying? What do you want to say to this person about their promises and their disappointment?
Yeah.
And I want you to go around the room and share what you heard. And it's good to kind of set the audio recorder so people can remind
Right, yeah,
themselves.
it's big.
No, here's some guidelines for listening on someone else's behalf. Listen to God on someone else's behalf. If you start going into preaching, teaching,
Or even just sympathizing.
sympathizing, please don't do that. We don't want to keep people in disappointment. We want to give them hope. And so we want to hear the hope for them from God. So
Right.
share those things and then go to the next person around the room.
Cool, man.
It's gonna be
Yeah.
fun.
Blessings on you, man. Feel strength into your soul.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night. See you.